Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to duplicate a Notion template. So to start with, you want to navigate to your Notion homepage. So if you have a template already that you want to duplicate, that's great. If not, we're going to create a new page by clicking at the top. Then we're going to go down to the bottom and click on templates. So you probably already know there's lots of different templates here, free and paid, so you can search for a template that you want. Let me see what comes up. So just for the tutorial, I'm going to choose any template. So let's have a look at this holiday gift one. So if you like this template and you want to duplicate it, you can't do it from this page. You have to download it into your account to start with. So click add, and then this will add the new template to your space on the left hand side, and then you're going to click onto your template. So from here you can edit it, change things about, put in new information. But if you want to duplicate it, what you need to do is go to the top right hand corner where the three dots are. Going to click on there, going to scroll down, and you should see a tab that says duplicate. So I'm going to click on there, and that will be duplicated. So you can see on the left, I've got 2 of those holiday gift planner templates now. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe, and I will see you soon.